Well, good evening everyone. About to unbox a DJI Mavic 3 Pro drone here. So it's good quality drone, commercial grade, good for use in all industries, plus recreational flyers. So let's open this product up and have a look. Just use my keys here. I think we're gonna. So just take the plastic off the packaging. That aside, now let's have a look. Got the green tab here. This little green tab, we're going to pull that to one side to open the box to reveal the product. As you probably can look. So we've taken it off. Let's put that aside. Now. Here comes the ultimate test. Here comes the ultimate opening. Here's the product here, the drone. It's in the bag. So it's in the box. We'll put the box aside. Now the drone's in the bag. We'll have an opener up. Probably can see this is the drone, still packaging. We're going to open it up and have a look at it. Undo the straps here to take the lens cover off. God, she's a beauty. We'll open her up. Should probably just take off all these plastic tape. Just open it up. I'll take this plastic off. You probably can tell. It's a good drone. Before use, just got to. I got to take this rubber bit off, or that foam bit. A bit tricky, but oh, you got it. And there's the product there. Now we just got to check for any, no more tape or foam on the drone. Oh yeah, there's a little bit here. Another one on this side we're going to undo. Not too tricky. Just going to undo these. Before use, so hang on a minute, this takes a bit to get this one off. Okay, we got it off. Now we're probably going to. That's it. That's the drone, free of any shipping material that holds it into place. But yeah, she's beautiful. Oh, I dropped her there, but she's a beauty. She's a beauty. Just open up all the propellers. Okay, next we're going to open up the battery. So tabby, we pull that. battery there. So not the battery. I'm impressed of how the battery looks. So that's just the package. That's the packaging to the battery. Now we'll take the plastic packaging off the battery. Take the air out of the battery. I'll grab a let me see, I'll grab a back. I've got another battery that's already charged, so I'll demonstrate. Yeah. Now it's got a fully charged battery here. Probably the battery slides in the back like that. Which, anyway, start up the remote. Just make sure the propellers are open. Just put all the packaging on one side. Okay, we've just got the remote starting. Let's get this drone active. Okay, we've got to put connection guide. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Yes, I've done that. Just waiting for it to pick up the drone so we can link it with this remote controller. So we're just searching for the aircraft. They're searching for the aircraft at the moment. Okay, we're in pairing mode, so we can pair the remote and the drone together. We're just activating it. Gotta make sure it's connected to the internet. Connect to my home Wi-Fi. Now we're connected to my home Wi-Fi, so we can probably update the software on it. So we're just going to talk to DJI via the internet to activate the drone, so it's in my name. Okay, it's active. We're just going to update the software. It's probably going to take a while because it's nearly 2 gigabytes of data to be updated. Okay folks, thanks for enjoying this video, and please do subscribe to my future videos. I do a lot of travel content and airline videos, so just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and have a good day. Thank you and enjoy.